PIFA is a platform for not just the festival, but we like to promote higher education to all of our youth.
The reason why I wanted to speak tonight is because I myself am a parent of a former recipient who received a scholarship for 3 years in a row. She was one of the first ones when the scholarship program started. I saw what it did to help my daughter as well as help me on the finance part. Since then, I became part of PIFA. It's going on 16 years now. Because I believe in the program. I believe in what it has to offer, especially to our youth, our future leaders.
My name is Tyrone Hood. I go to Queen Mac Community College. I'm a biology major. I've done my 2 years now. I'm about to get my associates in June. And I'm trying to decide where I'm going to transfer to. I've talked to 4 different schools and more coming, but all outside of California, unfortunately. That's it. Oh, wait, one more thing. I just want to thank PIFA and the board and the whole organization for investing in my education. And that's it.
Talapalava, my name is Darlene Twinkie. Some people may know me as Lingy. I was the Miss Pacific Islander of San Diego 2012-2013. I am currently attending Southwestern College and I am transferring, this is my last semester, I'm transferring to San Diego State. My major is in communications and I'm of Samoan descent. And I just want to thank PIFA for this great opportunity. We all know that college is expensive, so I think what you guys are doing is great, and thank you for allowing me to further my education.
Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany May. I am currently attending San Diego State. I'm majoring in psychology and hopefully minoring in forensics, and I just wanted to thank everyone, especially the board of PIFA, for having me here and allowing me to further my education. Thank you.
Good day everybody, my name is Solace and I am a third year at San Diego State, majoring in English with an emphasis on single subject teaching. I am of Chamorro and Filipino descent and heritage. I am an officer in Andres Bonifacio Salmahan, the Filipino organization at San Diego State, and I am also an officer for the Pacific Islander Student Association at San Diego State. And I'm also next year's president for PISA. I'm thankful that you all are taking advantage of the resources that PIFA is offering, because not a lot of Pacific Islander youth take advantage of the resources or are aware of the resources that are given to them. So thank you again for taking advantage of this resource. Thank you PIFA for offering the scholarship fund as a resource to our youth. And I'm just really thankful for this, and I'm thankful for all of you.
Hello everybody, I'm actually in the process of getting my name legally changed to Kaili Oka'ahia Lihua Kapua Lihua Ulo Kaina Kapa Lihua. So I go by Lihua. I'm a first year at UC San Diego. I'm a critical gender studies major. I'm minoring in education studies, and I'm planning to also take up environmental studies as my second minor. I'm currently studying hula under Kumu Liana Iona and Kumu Kapena Alumni. This is my second year getting this scholarship, so thank you again for this opportunity.
On behalf of Gianna Lei, Fatu Tau Sifuno, she wanted me to thank the PIFA organization for picking her as for the scholarship. It's scholarships like these that help my daughter get through school. She's going to Brigham Young University right now. She's on her second year, and because of these scholarships, it helps her with her schooling. Because daddy don't have no money, so it's better than that. So my daughter is from Samoan descent. My father, Salasopo Papali Sifunoa, is from Falagiu. My mom is Fatu Tau Te Sifunoa, and she's from Fankongo, and that's Samoan. Anyways, just want to let you guys know that, and I'm really thankful for what you guys do. These are great programs and what you guys put together, and how you guys help out the kids. And thank you.
Aloha, my name is Anthony Stanley. I'm right now, I go to La Jolla High School, and I'm going to be attending Occidental College over in Eagle Rock, LA, and I'm going to be playing football over there as well. And I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to the board PIFA for not only allowing me this opportunity, because Occidental is pretty pricey, but my brother and my sister as well. throughout the many years that we've been part of this. And I'm currently, I guess, with under my mom with her a while. I mean, since birth. I don't know. Thank you for everything. And I'm planning on majoring in business economics and minoring a double in music.
Hi, I'm Gianna Mickey, and I'm a senior at Mira Mesa High School. I play softball and golf, and next year I'm going to be attending the New Mexico Military Institute because the U.S. Merchant Marine Academy appointed me there for their prep school, so I'm going there for 1 year. Thank you. And then after 1 year there, I'm going to the Merchant Marine Academy in Kings Point, New York, and I'll be majoring in marine engineering there. And I want to thank PIFA and the board for rewarding me with this scholarship. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
Aloha and talofa. My name is Anuhea Tufanga. I am a senior at Olympian High School, and I am currently Miss Huio Hawaii of San Diego. Next year I will be attending San Diego State University, and I will be majoring in kinesiology. From there I plan on becoming a physical therapist and having my own office, hopefully. And I just wanted to thank God, number one, for guiding me through all of my years of schooling, and also PIFA for giving me the opportunity to seek high-level education. Thank you.
Good evening again, everybody. My name is Samuel Nick, and I'm in my last month of high school at Sarah High School. So I'm excited about that. I'm kind of nervous because college is expensive. Most of you guys know that. The parents, if you guys don't know, you will learn soon. Really soon, because it snuck up on me. I thought I had time. But I'm here, we're here, we're blessed. I'll be going to UC Santa Barbara in the fall, majoring in biology with an emphasis in physiology. I'm thinking about going into the medical career with orthopedics, and hopefully giving back to my community, you guys, because when Jesus blesses you to live a long time, things happen, and I'll be there. With the hookup, I got you guys. I'm especially thankful to my new and extended family, because I was really thinking about living on a top ramen diet for a little bit. But you know, maybe not once in a while I can buy something nice. Thank you guys.
A special note about all of our high school recipients. All 4 of our recipients are also been awarded the JTF scholarship. From all the communities, we have one for Anthony. He is getting his from the Ahui. And then we have Anuhea, who's getting hers from the Samoan Community Council. And we have Gianna, who's getting hers from the Hui of Hawaii. And then Samuel Nick is our PIFA recipient for JTF.
Oh, that is awesome!